We'll guide you through how to create a Printify catalog. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log in to your account using your desktop computer. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Look for the My Products tab on the left-hand side menu and click it here. You'll see your existing products if you have any, but to create a new catalog, you need to start by adding products. Click on Add New Product to begin. This will take you to the product catalog where you can browse through various categories like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Choose a product that fits your brand. Once you've selected a product, you can customize it by uploading your design. Click on Add Your Design and either drag and drop your file or click to upload from your computer. Make sure your design fits well within the product template, adjusting the size and position as needed. After you're satisfied with the design, click Save Product. Now go back to My Products where you'll see your newly created product listed. To create a catalog, click on Collections, which can be found in the same menu where you found My Products. Click Create New Collection and give it a name that represents the theme or type of products you're showcasing. Once named, you can add products to this collection by clicking Add Products and selecting the ones you want to include. After you've added all the desired products, click Save Collection. Now you have a catalog ready to be shared or linked to your store. This is a great way to organize your products and make it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.